Western wears can be tricky sometimes when you need to give attention to small details. We're here to help you with such detailing. Let's move on to the video to explore fashion at its best. Welcome to SlamBook, and you have entered a fashion segment, Style Saga. Today we're going to look at common fashion mistakes that women do when they flaunt their Western wear. First on our list is, yes, obviously the fit of the pants and shirts we wear. There is an easy hack to check for the right fit when you're shopping in a hurry. Hold the hip band of the pants around your neck and make sure it covers your neck perfectly. This means you're carrying the right size to your trial room. And for the shirts and Western wear, the fabric's width needs to match the armpit's width to get your perfect size. Remember, a size too big or a size too small can ruin the look, even with the best of the brands. Next on our list is mixing and matching colors. The way some dresses are mixed and matched are so bad that it literally hurts the eyes. But here's the trick to play safe with the color palette. There are two broad categories of colors, which are the cool colors and the warm colors. The cool colors are the blues, greens and purples. The warm colors are the reds, oranges and yellows. There are color wheels that the designers use to determine detailed color codes to match individual skin tones. There are apps on the internet to figure out your exact skin tone and the colors that will be attractive or repulsive to your skin tone. This is a very detailed topic on its own. But the rule of thumb is always match cool with cool and warm with warm. It saves a lot of time in figuring out what to wear on a daily basis. Do try these pairing ideas and let us know in the comment section if this made a difference to your wardrobe and styling ideas. Next on our list are the handbags. They can either make a person look chic and stylish or can become a fashion disaster when paired poorly with the wrong dress or occasion. There are three important categories of bags. First being the versatile tote bag, which is roomy and can fit in a lot of your daily essentials in it. This is best suited for office purposes. Second is the sling bag or the crossbody bags. These come in handy when you need to go out for casual and fun outings, where you require your hands to be relieved from carrying anything. Third is the clutch. These are the evening occasion bags for parties and functions where you'd like to flaunt your bling and glam look. Fourth and the last topic we're covering today is dress to look taller. Most of us struggle to fit into the fashionable high heels category in order to look taller than we are. Please don't trouble your heels so much. We've got a few tricks up our sleeves for you. The first trick is to wear high-waisted pants. May it be your jeans or your formal pants, this always does the trick. You look taller instantly when you try this. The second is to choose the shoes that are closest to your natural skin color, also giving you the long legs illusion. The third is to wear shoes with pointed toes. They also look stylish and give you the tall girl impression. With this, we've reached the end of the video and we really hope that you found this content entertaining and informative. Do like our video and subscribe to our channel SlamBook for more such updates on fashion and styling. This is Manasa signing off. Stay stylish, stay trendy.